In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset AutoCAD when menus, ribbons, or toolbars suddenly disappear from your workspace. This is a common issue that can happen after changing settings, switching workspaces, or due to accidental clicks. The good news is that it's usually very easy to fix. Start by clicking the AutoCAD logo in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Options to open the Settings window. Inside the Options dialog box, go to the Profiles tab. Here, you'll see a list of profiles currently available in AutoCAD. In most cases, the active profile will be named Unnamed Profile unless you created a custom one. Select that profile and click the Reset button. This restores the default interface settings, including missing toolbars, menus, and ribbons. After resetting the profile, click OK to apply the changes and close the window. Your AutoCAD workspace should immediately return to its normal layout with all essential tools visible again. This method is one of the fastest ways to recover a broken interface without reinstalling the software. Thanks for watching and happy drafting with AutoCAD.